Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a payment method in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then if you scroll down a bit, click on the settings button. And then click on the your payment methods button. And then click on the add a credit or debit card. So first you have to give your card number and then the expiration date. And then the CVV code, which is usually at the back of your card. And then you also have to choose a billing address. So just click on the add a new address button. So you have to set your country or region. You have to provide your name, the street address. And then this is optional if you want to add further information to the address section. And then you have to provide your zip code, your city and your state. And then you have to set your phone number as well. And once you're ready, just click on the save button. And once everything is set, just click on the add your card button, and your card will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.